Basler gan Edwards, syth i James Owen a gyfle i Cey Conna wrth ymosod. Bakare, Pools allan o Bakare, fyny Bakare'n tynnu ergyd ar draws y postyn pella. Di Morrison yn mynd hapus a Michael Bakare. Probl. Tynnu ar draws i Ebi sy'n ergydio bell yn mynd adlamu flaen y golwr Dampi sydd yn gwydro hi wedyn allan am gig gornel. Dyna tuag at Owens cael ei dynnu lawr, ymlaen, tuag at Bakare, Bakare! Bakare! Wedi rhoi Cey Conna ar y blaen. Camgymeriad yn amddiffyn y Seintiau Newydd. Honna di gol gyntaf. Cey Conna y Marnydd y Parc ers 6 mlynedd. A faint o bwysig fydd gol Michael Bakare yn y ras am yr ail safle. Andy Owens gol am ail. Wastraffus i ddeud y llia gan Andy Owens. Declan Poole, rygipio'r beliwr, Ryan Price, ac Andy Owens. Ddylsa fod i taro cefn yr hwyd. Probl ar ymyl y cwrt Cosby, dan bwysig gan Pearson, tackle a gan Mike Pearson. Owen yn ei gormod. Bale yn disgyn i Probl, oedd ei faglyd, mae'n gico Smotin. Camgymeriad erchyll gan James Owen. Yn ceisio gwneud i fyny am y camgymeriad. Ac yn baglu Ryan Probl yn y cwrt Cosby. Draper yn erbyn Dampi. Draper syth lawr y canol. Dim gobaith i Dampi. Prif sgoriwr uwchgynnau'r Cymru y tymor yma. Wedi ychwanegu gol arall. 11 o'r tymor i Draper. Probl allan i Price. Price yn torri ar draws Declan Poole. Dal i fynd Ryan Price yn gyfle mae'r Seintiau Newydd. Price, gol o'r safon ucha. Gan yr eilydd Ryan Price i gol gyntaf i'r Seintiau Newydd. A dda ni hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner. A mae'r Seintiau wedi troi y gêm ar ei phen. Morris yn chwilio am Probl. Wthiodd y gefn Smith na, mynd ar dyfarnwr. Probl ar draws y gael Draper, ail i'r Draper, ail ar 20 o'r tymor. Cey Conna'n gofyn am gicrydd, gwthiad ar Smith, medden nhw. Y chwarae'n parhau, a Probl ddynnu ar draws i Draper, ar ben ar Cey Conna rwan. Scott, it was a game with 2 halves, if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, it was, we were poor first half. Told the players, just because it's the end of the season, we've won the league, doesn't mean that we should lower our standards. Second half was a lot better, and I always knew that we could get a reaction. Made a little change to the formation and the way we played, so I thought that's going to give us an injection, and it did. And after about 10 minutes of the second half, I thought we'd come into our own and were creating lots of chances then.
I was pleased with certain individual aspects of the game. I thought we were very, very good, and I thought we looked a really strong team. But ultimately, you know, your games are defined by your finishing, and we've had 5 or 6 chances, scored 1. They've had 5 or 6 chances, scored 3. It was important for me tonight that we were playing against TNS first team. You know, we didn't play against the under-19s. So, you know, those things happen in seasons. Like, you know, it's just unfortunate for us that we played against a very good team tonight. And what's meant to be will be. You know, whatever they do, I expect them to beat Druids. And then we go into the last game of the season and all to play for.